Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are reviewing the Bwine F7MINI, lightweight yet feature-packed drone made for adults who want high-quality aerial footage without dealing with heavy regulations or complicated flying. I've spent time looking through the internet, reading user feedback, watching flight tests, and comparing it with other drones in this category. And in this video, I'm going to give you an honest answer on whether you should buy this drone or not. Don't forget to hit the link below for the best price. The first big thing that makes the F7MINI stand out is its 249-gram weight. That FAA-exempt design is a huge advantage, especially for beginners or casual flyers who want fewer restrictions and less paperwork. Despite its compact size, the drone feels surprisingly solid in hand, and the folding design makes it easy to carry in a backpack for travel, hiking, or outdoor trips. This is clearly a drone designed for convenience without feeling like a toy. Now let's talk about the camera, because that's what most people care about. The Bwine F7MINI records 4K video and captures 8K photos, which is impressive for a drone in this weight class. The footage looks sharp, colors are vibrant, and details hold up well in good lighting. What really helps here is the 3-axis gimbal combined with EIS, which keeps the footage smooth and stable even when flying in moderate wind. For beginners especially, this makes a huge difference because shaky footage is usually the biggest frustration when starting out. Flight performance is another strong point. The drone offers up to 96 minutes of total flight time when using multiple batteries, which is excellent and gives you plenty of time to practice, experiment with shots, and enjoy flying without constantly worrying about landing. The over 6 km transmission range provides a strong, stable signal, giving you confidence when flying farther while still maintaining clear video feed. What makes this drone especially beginner-friendly are the smart flight features. You get AI GPS Smart Return, Follow Mode, Waypoint Flying, and Orbit Mode. These features make it easy to capture cinematic shots without needing advanced flying skills. GPS positioning keeps the drone stable in the air, and the return to home function adds an extra layer of safety if the signal drops or the battery gets low. Control responsiveness feels smooth and predictable, which is great for new pilots. The drone doesn't feel overly aggressive, but it still has enough power to handle outdoor conditions comfortably. Obstacle awareness isn't its main focus, so careful flying is still important. But for the price and size, the overall flight experience is very reassuring. Of course, there are a few limitations. Low light performance is decent but not class-leading, and strong winds can still affect stability due to the lightweight design. Also, while the app offers lots of features, it may take a little time for first-time users to learn all the settings. These are expected trade-offs for a compact, beginner-focused drone and don't take away from the overall value. After going through online reviews and real user experiences, my conclusion is that the Bwine F7MINI is a very well-balanced drone for beginners and casual aerial creators. It offers strong camera performance, excellent flight time, reliable GPS features, and an easy learning curve, all while staying under the 249 grams limit. So, should you buy it? If you're looking for a beginner-friendly drone with 4K video, 8K photos, long flight time, smart GPS features, and no FAA registration hassle, then yes, this is absolutely worth buying. It's a great option for learning, traveling, and capturing impressive aerial shots without jumping into high-end pricing. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stick around for more honest tech reviews. I'll see you in the next one.